Hello people! I was able to have a vacation with me, myself, and I. So come along and enjoy and relax. Morning people, thankful for another day and for the blessings dito. Yung minsan mapapaisip ka parang sarap pa tumira sa probinsya ng ganitong buhay, tapos may pera ka lang yung maliit yung negosyo, may kainan, tapos mga tourist dito napunta, kakain, mga ganun. Super ganda lang talaga ng province life. Simple. Ano yung sa sobrang congested and mga nangyayari sa city, minsan iba talaga yung feels ng province. Yung parang wala akong problema, sabi nga sa reels o sa TikTok, mga memes o nila dun. Kaya yun, diba, yung nakaka-relate ka lang na parang dapat ganito lang yung buhay eh. Simple, saya, ganun. Pero syempre hindi naman natin foresee yun. Dapat we have to make the most out of it dun sa mga nangyayari sa atin. Kaya kung nadapa ka, tayo lang, tapos laban ulit, diba? Sabi nga nila.
Big time, no man now. Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. I'm big time, lot of slime. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try to take it from me. I don't need bags, I just need more bags. Bought the drip to the stove, said I need more splash. On her tippy toes, she can sneak right past. I'm the man of a dream, she asleep on my ass, that's a hall pass. I don't need a hall pass. Watch out for the snakes in the tall grass. Not the one to play with, that's a raw fat. Say a hard head, make a soft, ooh, big time. Number 9, diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the numbers, that's a lot of grind. Try and take it from me, must be out your mind. Oh, I'm big time, lot of signs. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try and take it from me. Taste my drip, riding in a spaceship. Work 5 days straight, go to sleep on days.
Goodbye, Elyu. Till we meet again.